Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Messenger not showing photos on iPhone after the update of iOS 17. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to launch settings, general and iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone not running out of space. Then we are going to tap on Messenger and tap on offload app and tap again offload app to confirm. After that, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. Then go back to App Store and re-download the Facebook Messenger. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then what we have to do, we have to go to Facebook Messenger, tap and hold and tap on remove app and tap again delete app to confirm. After deleting the app, we will go back to App Store and re-download the Facebook Messenger. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.